नमो नमः। द्वादशी कक्षा संस्कृतम् आह्लादः पाठ्यपुस्तकं द्वितीयमण्डलं पद्यविभागः तृतीयः पाठः मोदं वितनोतु संवादः। तृतीयं सुभाषितम्। कस्त्वं लोहितलोचनास्य चरणो हंसः कुतो मानसात् किं तत्रासि सुवर्णपङ्कजवनान्यम्भः सुधासन्निभम् रत्नानां निचयः प्रवालमणयो वैदूर्यरोहाः क्वचित् शम्बूका अपि सन्ति नेति च बकैराकर्ण्यहीः Shardul Vikriditam is the meter of this Subhashit. So, in the tune of the verse Yakundendu Tusharahar Dhavala, we can sing this Subhashit. Now, the first word, Kastwam. Here is the Sandhi, Kaha plus Twam. Now, here is a dialogue. It is between birds. Cranes are there, a group of cranes is there, and a swan has come over there from a long distance. That is, he comes from Manasa, Himalaya. When in the season of winter there is very cold weather, they turn up to the warmer regions like Rajasthan and Maharashtra. These swans stay here for the winter season where the winter is not too cold, and then again in summer they fly towards Himalaya. So here is a swan, and the swan is a guest, a newcomer for the cranes who are living over there near a pond. Now, when someone newcomer is there, we ask him about his introduction. And so the cranes are also asking the swan, Kaha Tvam. The Visarga has changed to Sa, Kastvam, Kaha plus Tvam. Who are you? This is the question. And how is the swan? These cranes describe him. I am purposely not using the word it because in English we use word it for birds and animals. Here these are personified and therefore I am using the word he. Now how is he? Now how is the swan? Lohita, Lochana, Asya, Charanaha. Lohita, red colored. Lochana, eyes. Asya, his beak. Asya, the word means mouth, mukham, asyam, vadanam. Synonyms. So here about the swan, it is its beak and his 2 feet. Charanaha. Charan shabda. Charan is the word. Here it is in compound. How is he? His 2 eyes, lochane, and asyam, that is beak, and his feet, charanau. These are lohita, red color. And who are you? Is the question. Now the swan introduces himself. Hamsaha, I am a swan. Again cranes ask him, Kutaha, from where have you come? Kutaha, from where is the question. From where? Manasat is the answer of the swan. that I have come from Manasa. What is Manasa? Is a lake famous in Himalaya. So from where do we come? The word should be in Panchami Vibhakti. So Manasat is Panchami Vibhakti of Manasa ending in neuter. Kim tatrasti? The next question is next question of the cranes is Kim tatra asti? What is that? So can you describe how is your region? Because these cranes don't know Himalaya and they don't even know Manas. And therefore, Kim Tatra Asti is the question. How will you describe your region? What is there? Now the swan answers. Suvarna Pankaja Vanani. The first thing he describes, there are Vanani forest of Suvarna Pankaja. Suvarna is golden, Pankaja is lotus. So there are so many golden lotuses that as if there is or there are the forests of golden lotus. Next, there is Ambha Sudha Sannibham. Now here the Sandhi we find Tatrasti, Tatra plus Asti. Suvarna Pankaja Vanani plus Ambha. Vanani plus Ambha. In the first line, Kuto was again Kuto plus Manasat. Kutaha plus Manasat was the Sandhi. Now here, in second line, Ambha, Ambha synonym Jalam. The water of the lake is Sudha Sannibham, as good as Sannibham, Samanam. Katham, how it is good? Sudha Sannibham. It is as good as Sudha, nectar. It is as sweet as Sudha. Ratnanam Nichayaha. What else? There is a collection or storage Nichayaha of jewels. Here and there, everywhere, we find jewels. Ratnanam Nichayaha. Pravala Manayaha. The jewel of corals are also there. Somewhere, Kvachit Vaidurya Rohaha. So somewhere there are the jewels of emerald. So Pravala coral is pink colored jewel. Vaidurya Roha is the emerald green colored jewel. Now the cranes ask Shambhukaha api santi. Here is also sandhi Shambhukaha plus api. And they ask, are there snails too? Now why do they ask such a question? Because so much of wealth is there. But what about eatables? Those cranes are interested in eatables. And so they ask the question whether Shambhukaha, the snails, are there. Now the swan answers, no, iti. The answer of swan is no. That is, there are no Shambhuka over there at Manasa. And listening to the answer, Bakaihi Akarnya. Here there is also another sandhi, Bakaihi plus Akarnya. The visarga changes to Ra and then A is added to it. It becomes Ra. Here is again one संधि नेति, न प्लस इति. बकैराकर्ण्य, बकैः plus आकर्ण्य. So after listening to the answer no, the cranes laughed loudly. He, making the sound he. Now here the word he krutam is purposely used by the poet. The cranes are laughing at the swan. They are making fun of it, and this is not a good sign. It means they have no respect about the swan and about the Manasa, that is the region where swan lives. Now, this Subhashita has another meaning. It means in the society we find so many people, they are interested in very foolish things. They do not admire merits, they do not respect good things, and then they make fun of the meritorious person. Now, this type of people is described here in the form of Anyokti. Anyokti is a sentence. It is uttered to a person, but then the meaning relates to another person. Anya Ukti. Ukti is saying, which is related to someone else. Anya. So here we find Anyokti. Now in this verse, in second line, Asti is the verb, and in fourth line, Santi is the verb. Both the verbs Asa, 2PP, Lat Lakar, Pratham Purush, Asti is Ekvachan, Santi is Bahuvachan. Akarnya is the Lyabanta of A plus Karna 10 UP. He Krutam. So Krutam is Ta Pratyanta of Kru 8 UP. Manasat is Panchami. Manasa Akaranta Napusakalinga Panchami Ekvachanam. Ratnanam Ratna Akaranta Napusakalingam Shashti Bahuvachanam. Now these words like Madayaha, Vaiduryarohaha, Shambhukaha, all these are masculine pullinga. Prathama Bahuvachanam. Madayaha, Mani, ending in first E. Now the fourth verse. Padme Mudhajane Dadati Vibhavam Vidvatsu Kimmatsaraha Naham Matsarini na chapi chapala naivasi murkhe ratihi Murkhebhyo dravinam dadami vitaram tatkaranam shruyatam Vidvan sarvajaneshu pujitatamo murkhasya nanya gatihi. So here also we find the Shardul Vikriditam meter, and we can sing in the same tune. Now here is a dialogue between a devotee and goddess Padma, that is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is goddess of wealth. Now here the devotee asks a question to Lakshmi, Padma. He calls her Padme, O goddess Padma. Mudhajane dadasi vibhavam. What do? You give wealth. You give dadasi, wealth, vibhavam. To whom? Mudhajane. You give it to foolish people. They are not learned. they are uneducated, and not only that, they are foolish. Still then, you give them wealth. Why? What is the reason? And therefore, the question is, in the society, we find that the learned people are poor. Why? Because Goddess Lakshmi does not give them wealth. Why don't you give them wealth? Is the question of the devotee. Vidvatsu kim matsaraha. Are you jealous of the learned people? Matsaraha, jealousy. Do you have jealousy about learned people? Vidvatsu. Now, in this sentence, Vidvatsu is Vidvat ending in taha, pullingam, saptami, bahuvachanam. Dadasi is da, 3 UP, here PP. Latlakar, madhyam purush, ekvachanam. Padme is Sambodhan vibhakti of Padma ending in a, strilingam. Mudha-jane. Now here we should remember that to give something to someone to whom we are giving, the receiver should be in dative case, Chaturthi vibhakti. But then here Mudha-jane is Saptami because V plus through is the root, vitarati is the verb where Saptami is expected. Similarly here Saptami is used. Mudajane. Next, second line, what is the answer of Goddess? Naham Matsarni. I am not jealous of these learned people. Then what is the other way? What is the other reason? Are you not stable? So you give up the learned people? No. The answer of Goddess is Nachapi Chapala. I am not fickle in nature. Chapala, fickle. I am not unstable. Chapala. I am not unstable in my nature. Then another option. Do you love foolish people? Are you fond of foolish people? Then the answer of the goddess is no. Naivasti murkhe ratihi. I don't like them. I have no love for them. Na eva asti is the sandhi. Naham, na plus aham. Naivasti, na plus eva plus asti. Chapi, cha plus api. These are the sandhis. So I don't have any liking about the foolish people. Naivasti murkhe ratihi. Then murkhebhyaha dravinam dadami nitaram. I give so much of wealth to foolish people. Now see here, murkhebhyaha dadami. I give to the murkha, to the foolish people. Now here, murkhebhyaha is murkha ending in a pullingam chaturthi bahuvachanam. So to whom we give something is in chaturthi vibhakti. Here we find the application of the rule. Tat karanam shruyatam. Now I am telling you the reason. Please listen. Shruyatam. Shru 5 pp. Karmavachyam. Lot lakar. Pratham purush. Ekvachanam. Now dadasi and dadami. Da 3 UP. Here PP. Lat lakar. Dadasi is madhyam purush and dadami is uttam purush. Ekvachanam. Vidwan sarva janeshu pujitatamah. The reason is that the Vidwan is the learned, the scholar is respected, pujitamaha, by all the people. So everywhere, in every region, the learned and the scholars are respected and they are honored. But then, murkhasya nanya gatihi. For the foolish person, nobody respects him, nobody cares about him, nobody look after him, and therefore he has got no other option. He can go nowhere. He can have nothing. He can have no means to live a better life, and therefore I take pity on him, and therefore I give him wealth. Murkhasya nanya gatihi. Because the foolish man doesn't have any other way out. He cannot have his livelihood, and therefore I give him wealth. This is the reason given by goddess Lakshmi. Now here sarva janeshu jana ending in a, pullingam saptami bahuvachanam. In this way, we find the answer of the question, why do foolish people have wealth? Now the fifth verse, Amba kupyati tatamurni vidruta gange yamutsrujyatam vidvan shanmukha kagatir mamachiram murni stitayavad कोपावेशवशादशेषवदनैः प्रत्युत्तरं दत्तवान् अम्भोधिर्जलधिः पयोधिर्दधिर्वारान्निधिर्वारिधिः. Now here there is a dialogue between Shankar and his son Kartikeya. Now Kartikeya is very angry and Shankar, his father, is asking him the reason. And now Kartikeya is telling the reason. Amba kupyati tata. Oh father, my mother is angry. She is angry with you. That is what Kartikeya wants to say. Oh father, mother is angry. Amba kupyati. Kupa is the root here. 4 pp. Lat lakar. Pratham purush. Ekvachanam. Tata. So he is calling, oh father. Tata is the Sambodhan vibhakti of Tata ending in a, pullingam. Sambodhan ekvachanam. Why she is angry? The reason is known to Kartikeya, and therefore he says, Murni vidhruta ganga iyam utsrujyatam. Oh father, now here is the sandhi, ganga plus iyam plus utsrujyatam. Oh father, Ganga is situated, vidhruta, is kept on your head, murdni, and you should give her up. You should make her go away, utsrujyatam. If you do this, then mother will be happy. Now this is the reason why his mother is angry that Shankar has kept Ganga on his head, and she is jealous. That is, Mother Parvati is jealous of Ganga, and therefore she is angry. This reason is known to Kartikeya, and so he is telling his father to give her up, give Ganga, make Ganga go away. Murdni, Murdhan, ending in an, Napusakalingam, Saptami, Ekvachanam. Vidhruta, V plus dhru, 1 pp, ta pratyanta, Strilingam, Prathama, Ekvachanam. Ganga plus iyam plus utsrujyatam. plus सृज 6 pp कर्मवाच्यम लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष ekvachanam. So now the Shankar asked Vidwan Shanmukha, O learned, O scholar. And what is the name of his son? Shanmukha. Kartikeya, the name is Shanmukha, that is having 6 faces. He has 6 heads, and therefore Shanmukha is his name. And how is he? He is very scholar, he is very learned. Ka gatihi mama chiram murni sitayah vada? Tell me the answer first. If I make her go away, that is, if I make Ganga go away, if I abandon her, ka gatihi, then what is the another place where she should take resort? Ka gatihi, because chiram, for a long period, mama murni, on my head, she is staying. Sitayaha. So the one who is staying on my head for a long time, where can she go? Ka gatihi. Where is the place where she can go? Vada, tell me the answer. So this is the question of Shankar. If she gets another resort, then I am ready to make her go away. This is what Shankar wants to say. So now Kartikeya is ready with his answer. Kupa Vesha Vashad, because he is very angry, he has a quick reply on his each of the mouth. That is, he has got 6 mouths, and because of anger, a quick reply, Ashesha Vadanaihi. Ashesha, all 6. Vadana, mouth. By all 6 mouths, there is a quick reply because of anger. Kopavesha Vashar. Because he is under control of anger, and therefore by all his 6 mouths, he gave a reply. Pratyuttaram Dattavan. What is the answer? Ambodhihi plus Jaladhihi. Payodhihi plus Udadhihi plus Varannidhihi plus Varidhihi. So look at this line, 4th line, there is a Sandhi, Ambodhihi, the Visarga changes to Ra. Payodhihi, again the Visarga changes to Ra. And we add the next U to it, so it has become Ru. Udadhihi, here also Visarga changes to Ra. Varannidhihi, here also the Visarga changes to Ra. In this way, there are 6 words uttered by Shanmukha, and all the words mean the ocean. Sagaraha, Samudraha. Ambodhihi, Ambha means Jalam. Jaladhihi, Jala is there. Payodhihi, Payaha is Jalam. Udadhihi, Ud also means Jala. Vari is also Jala. So all the words mean the storage of water, that is ocean. So Ganga should go away to ocean. The resort of Ganga is ocean. She should not stay on the head of Father Shankar. She should go away. This is what Kartikeya replied. Here, Dattavan in the 3rd line is the 1 pp Tavatu Pratyayantam Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Now Vadanaihi is Tritiya Vibhakti. The instrument of action is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Vidwan and Shanmukha, these words are Sambodhan Vibhakti of Vidwan, Vidvat, ending in Taha, Shanmukha, ending in A, Pullingam, Sambodhanam, Ekvachanam. Sitayaha plus Vada is Sandhi. स्थितायाः visarga has vanished. Now sthita yaha. Tha 1 pp here. क्त प्रत्ययांतम स्त्रीलिंगम षष्ठी ekvachanam. So in this way we find dialogues in the Subhashitas, and the meaning of these Subhashitas make us happy. The dialogues entertain us, and therefore mudam vitanotu samvadaha. That is, let the dialogue make us happy. Let the dialogue entertain us. This heading is true to its sense.